User time zones determine when users are allowed or not allowed access to a specific reader. Readers, along with user time zones, are linked to access privilege groups. When a user belongs to an access privilege group that has both access to a reader and the user time zone schedule currently allows access, then the user can enter the door. Remember that when a door is in lockdown, only master privilege credentials will grant access. To add a user time zone, click on the user time zones icon in the scheduling section. The user time zones screen displays all previously created user time zones in a list. Click the Add button to create a new user time zone. Enter the name and description if needed. Select the partition where the time zone will be created. The Schedule section shows a graphical representation of the hours and days of the week. The different user states are designated by their color within the week period graph. A legend at the bottom shows the two different states and their colors, not allowed and allowed. The default schedule when adding a new time zone is not allowed 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Click on any of the horizontal bars in the time schedule to display the time zone editor window. Under selected span, choose the mode or access state. For example, if not allowed is selected, then the entire day will be in the not allowed access state. To make changes within the day, enter the information in the Add Span section. For example, set the start time to 7 a.m. by clicking on the Start Time display area. The arrows can be used to change the time by increments of 1 for either hours or minutes. Pressing on the number itself will enable a quick number selection. Set the stop time to 4 p.m. Once the time is selected, select the mode to allow access and press the Add button. The graph will now show the added span. Continue to make changes to the user state throughout the day selected. User time zones can support up to 8 time spans in a day. Press on the top right of the editor window to remove the window. Once a day is configured, it can be copied to any other day. A day can also be copied to the entire week, weekend, or weekdays. To copy one day to another, select the day and then drag and drop it to a different day. To copy one day to the entire week, weekend, or weekdays, select the day and then drag and drop it to the respective rectangle at the top right. Once you complete the user time zone for all 7 days, press the Save button to create the user time zone.